Attention, fellow marketers, entrepreneurs, and agency owners. Imagine having a platform that empowers you to have multiple income streams. How amazing would that be, right? Well, today I have brought you an amazing application, or you can say a 5-day training course that can do that for you, and that is SociSmart. With this 5-day certification program, you will learn 10 beginner friendly income streams using the hot new free app Threads. But act quickly because access is limited and selling fast. As a member of SociSmart, you will gain exclusive benefits such as membership, dashboard access, expert only resources, 5-day challenge videos and PDFs, replays, cheat sheets, and much more. Plus, after completion, you will receive a certificate and unlock unlimited access. As we all know, Threads is officially the fastest growing social media platform in history. SociSmart Upsell is your ticket to establish, master, and monetize this app and far beyond. Benefits of SociSmart Pro: OTO is member only dashboard, unlimited ongoing access, 5-day challenge content, and supportive community. The more interesting part is if you make the decision to purchase this game changing product from the link in the description, you will not only gain access to SociSmart but also receive additional exclusive bonuses of worth $2,000 from my side at a low one time price of $16.47. And yes, that's right, this is my bonus page. Don't miss out this amazing opportunity. Take action now and secure your future success with SociSmart while enjoying my incredible bonuses. If you are new to my channel, my name is Abhay. I'm a digital marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. All the details of OTOs, upsells, and discount are present in the description. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Introducing SociSmart, world's first so-called Twitter killer, refuses to die quietly, birthing a step-by-step 5-day certification program, changing social media marketing as we know it. What you will get with this SociSmart: members only dashboard, unlimited ongoing access, 5-day challenge content, supportive community, 14-part add-on video series, complimentary PDFs, step-by-step action points, easy to complete guides, cheat sheets, workbooks, done for you resources and tools, fun engaging content, live support available, plus these amazing 6 bonuses: 5-day done for you content planner, 6 threads insider secrets, threads ChatGPT toolkit, DM your threads followers, threads affiliate mastery, 30 done for you social posts and images. Also, don't worry, there are more bonuses waiting for you. Even complete beginner can turn a mobile phone into traffic, signups, and sales with just few taps. Step 1: download the free app. Step 2: follow their training. Step 3: access 10 plus income streams. And that's it. They are so confident in the transformative capabilities of SociSmart that they are offering a 30-day money back guarantee. So take the pledge and witness the remarkable impact it can have on your sales and leads. With SociSmart, you will experience a revolution in customer engagement, taking your business to astonishing new heights. Check out the link in the description for SociSmart and exclusive bonuses of worth $2,000.